old partner, night partner.
Well, sir, there's a news and there was a live telecast just few minutes back. Your opponent candidate has joined BJP now officially. Are you aware of this?
And where are things going?
Okay. Your first reaction to this?
My first reaction is see, the land scamster is taken in by the party. Number one. Second is I have written a complaint to the Minister of Revenue, to the Department of the Kumdar land scam. Land scam means Kumdar land is sold to a Delhi builder, and BJP is taking in the party. That's good. Let people of Goa know that we are involved in land scam.
Before inducting him, whether you were told or you were taken into confidence?
I was taken in confidence by saying that some people are being inducted in the party. Even today morning, I got a call from the party president or CM. I told CM I can't attend the function because I have committed against him and not fair on my part. What message go to public that I have joined hands with him?
Now, what's the position? Because there is a talk of town that now Daji Salkar will get the BJP ticket.
See, ticket or no ticket, I am there for the next election. I've said last few days I'll take hard decisions, and there's a time has come for decisions.
What would be the move? I mean, being in the same party or what exactly?
See, when you play a game of cards, you have to keep some cards in your pocket. I got cards in my pocket.
So your plans are ready?
My plan B is ready, plan C is ready, everything is ready. See, first of all, it is an insult to the people of Vasco. Insult in what way? Army BJP power on the Vasco Dao, Sarke, good to the Army the Lokan Dole. And Coach Dole, Aleka time, Aleka Pula, Allah Newman. That is the time that people of Vasco have shown that they are with the BJP. From the Congress. The shift not easy to make. A shift from voters to from Congress to BJP very difficult. But we have done it as a team. Then first time we won the election 2012. Second time the history in Vasco, the new MLA has won second time. The people of Vasco have done, not I. Now they think that the party thinks that it is good. I'm happy with the party.
Some of your hardcore supporters like Deepak, Anil Chakodekar were seen in the induction program.
See, Deepak is my friend, but not my hardcore supporter. So Deepak sometimes looks like I am not backstab Deepak, and I hope he will not backstab me.
Other BJP functionaries, what happened to the BJP Vasco BJP bloc? Is it a divided house or is it still the united?
See, as far as my knowledge goes up today, they have been pressured to come. Some people have gone there forcefully just to see the induction. So things will be clear next few days.
But what about the BJP bloc now? Whether you will remain in the party or because...
See, I am a BJP MLA and I'll stay faithful to the party as long as the party is backstabbing me again and again. I have said that party has not done development Vasco. Vasco is one step mother treatment. So many times I said, not once or twice, many times. So now let's say, I hope Mr. Sarkar gets the bus stand done. Come from the bus stand down in the talking against the government. Now I want to see the position. Whether the CM gives us money for the bus stand. I hope with Daji coming, something better good will happen to the party in Vasco.
But do you think that this will have a repercussion on the BJP? Because sidelining one minority
The repercussion is already there in the party. There are undercurrent in the party. Undercurrent because no confidence. See, when the block wrote to the party president, I wrote to the party, I wrote to Fadnavis ji that minorities have to gain more seats. Now they are hurting the minority today.
So, what would be the future then in this case? Because the party aims to have 22 in 22.
See, 20 to 20 is see, figure I can 40 out of 40. Then you go for exam to answer maths exam. Some people get 40 out of 40. But let's see as time comes how things will move.
But you will remain faithful for the to the party till.
See, I will take a decision along with my supporters. I've got my own team. I got the municipal council has said that they are with me. So I'll meet them again. I'll discuss with my team and I'll take a call.
Anything you want to add up with regards to the election today?
I'm happy that Mrs. Alkar has come with BJP. I'm happy that BJP is welcoming scam still. I'm happy on that count. See, today BJP when Parrikar was BJP was different. Now today party not like Parrikar party. Parrikar was a different man. Parrikar would not take all this nonsense with him along. Parrikar was a good man. As Parrikar now party changed as party because right discipline now. Now they used to at my back. I don't know. Some video scam was there. Some scam there. I think the minister is somewhere close by here to Vasco.
So you are hinting that the scam allegation by Congress is involving a minister from Varunga.
See, as far as what I heard, now the full world knows. Now when the movie is out, let's see who's the main actor.
Close to Vasco means how close to Vasco it is?
See, today even from here to America is close. Travel by air or travel by net.
But you believe in the allegations made by Congress?
See, it has to be true. It will be true. I know a friend who has seen the videos.
So you are having knowledge about the video.
Yeah. Only thing they have kept their face black.
You haven't seen the minister.
No.
But have you reported the matter to the CM when it came?
I have told even Mr. Fadnavis ji about the video. I said the allegation about the video. Come back. I said this video will do us more harm, not in Goa. There are 5 states going for election, 5 states. The video is launched outside. It's not a small joke. It's going to be a big major scam all over India. In UP there are a lot of people who are in different type of KC MLAs. In Goa there are no much KC MLAs. There are more cases. Those people want tickets. And if they give one ticket to the same minister in Goa, it will be worse in other states.
Santosh, you said that the party has backstabbed you. What are the reasons for backstabbing you?
See, party is backstabbing how? No development. Number one. Second, party when they say when they inducted today, he has not taken the MP election. Why we lost MP election today? There are many other factors. Today the MP election, Vasco we got lead, but double we got less lead. Murbanga got no less lead. MP was the biggest seat for the Prime Minister to win. See, today MLA is not one. MLA is one story, but MP also is important seat.
In terms of development, what exactly you have allegation?
Allegation that see Vasco got step-mother treatment. I've been telling all this time. And Vasco, nothing has happened. If somebody says that I don't move files, I can show the dates and files. So many meetings have been conducted regarding development. Even CM came to Vasco Bhavan. CM promised that things will move, but nothing has moved.
So now what? Now do you think that now development will happen?
I hope so. Miracle happened.
Do you think that the development was purposely kept on hold?
Now I feel that it was done on purpose. Now with all this intention. Because he is the only fellow talking against us. The bus stand issue is raised on something and his wife. That's all. Nobody else. And now I hope he says raises the issue again the paper again by tomorrow next 2 days. I want to see whether he raises again.
So you mean to say the development was not done because of Rajiv Arpia?
One reason.
So many have been sidelined, you feel, sir? Deliberately?
I think, see, Vasco has been sidelined. Basically, see, development has not happened. See, if you compare Vasco to Murmugao, today ministers in all of Goa, they are only ministers for their constituency. I'm talking about Mandre. See, Sopte, see, Mono, Azugar. They to develop only their constituency. But the minister for Goa, not for MLA for constituency.
But sir, how you will overcome from this negativity that there is no development? Because you have just now said that you again will say everything depends on the performance.
See, people of Goa know. Now, see, today my party is exposed. They have inducted somebody who has got a bad name, somebody who has got a bad record. That itself is enough. And same person, he was instigated by the party is going to make statement against me.
टाइम पर रिंग
वेस्टर्न के बारे में बोलिए।
बोला
Close to Vasco.